Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. So, okay, it's early in the morning. I'm about to head to work. So I got a package yesterday. I placed an order for some beautiful, beautiful bonnets that are handmade. And I just had to show y'all real quick before I went to work. So I picked up 3 of them. They are made by a fellow YouTuber here, Glam by Isoken. And this is her. I hope I'm saying her name right. But it says the name of the company is Isoken Enofe. And they are handmade bonnets. So here's the story behind it. I've been looking at these bonnets for a while. I was first introduced to them by Faiyah. And excuse the way I sound, my sinuses just won't let me be great. I was introduced to them by Faiyah, and I've been looking at them for a while. So I went ahead and placed the order. I picked up 3 of them. The first order I picked up just 2, and then I was like, you know what, you need to get you a bigger size and a different style. Why not? So I picked up another one. So I'm gonna show you the ones I picked up. So it came in this packaging here. They come in these little satchels that also have the name on it. I mean, come on, packaging. So it has the name on it there as well. These first 2 that I picked up are in the size large. They all have different names. So they are made out of this Ankara African print. How beautiful is that? This is the size large. So I had planned on getting these faux locks done. So that's what made me order an extra large, because I didn't think the large would be big enough, but it is. But this is the large. This is the Ankara African print. I hope I'm saying everything correctly. And they're all satin lined. Look at that. And they all have her tag here. Let me turn around to where you can see it correctly. They all have her tag here. And I think they're just beautiful. They all have like this elastic band for around your head. Like gorgeous. This one is called Faiyah. And I think these are just beautiful. Like, I'm about to be queening, honey. These have nothing on the ones from the hair store. Do you understand what I'm saying? These are queen bonnets, honey. These are queen bonnets. So I picked up that one. The second one is also in a large. This is named Onome. Cute as that, y'all. Oh my god, like beautiful. And it's also satin lined in pink. Oh my god, y'all. And it also has her tag in there as well. But they're beautifully made, beautiful stitching. Like, they're just gorgeous. But this is in the size large. And again, the name of this one is Onome. I'm going to place all the names, you know, right here at the bottom. Beautiful Ankara fabric. I've never purchased one of those Ankara skirts before, but this is just gorgeous. And look how big this is. Beautiful. The last one I picked up, this is the second order I made. This one is called Mabel. This is the extra large. Look at how beautiful this is. And this one is satin lined as well. It's like a beautiful satin blue, teal blue fabric. And it has a tag there as well. Like, these are just gorgeous, y'all. What took me so long? And this is the extra large. So this is the one I actually wore last night. I didn't have a problem with it sliding off. It didn't come off. You know, I have a problem with that a lot. Even if I do a scarf and then turn around and do a bonnet on top of it, I'm always having a problem with something sliding off. I'm going to try this one on so you all can see exactly how it looks on. Girl, are you queening or no? Baby, this is gorgeous. And it just like, it's just beautiful. It looks so much better than those satin bonnets from the hair store. I'm sorry. And you're supporting a black-owned business. So I'm just like, what? Baby, like, how gorgeous is it? Let me turn around for y'all. See, y'all can see that, honey. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all the bonnets that I received or that I picked up. I haven't tried these on yet, but I did wear this last night. Like I said, I did not have a problem with it coming up, coming off while I was sleeping. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place her website here. I also place her information down in the description box. And if you would like to pick up some of these beautiful, beautiful bonnets, go ahead and support this sister and buy a few. because I know I'm gonna be like buying some more. Like, this is just beautiful. So if y'all have any questions about these bonnets, just check the description bar or leave a comment down in the comment section and I will get back with y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this steer away from not so traditional Beauty by D.Beasley videos. But until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, beauties.